Hey guys!
Today we would like to show you
The Sequoia Lodge Golden Forest room. We're back in Disneyland Paris.
and we're staying in a very special room.
Let's explore Sequoia Lodge, the Golden Forest.
As we told you before in one of our episodes about Sequoia Lodge and the history of Sequoia Lodge, this building is surrounded by real sequoias imported from Canada, and it gives this feeling as if you are somewhere in a lodge. Well, that's exactly what they wanted, of course. Very nice atmosphere, also very suitable for a morning walk.
Wow, they even got a beaver dam over here. That beaver in the background. I don't think he is realizing that the dam is already sprung a leak. Hopefully the dam will hold.
When you parked your car, it's very easy to walk towards the main entrance of Sequoia Lodge. If you are staying at the Golden Forest rooms, there's a separate reception on the left. Also in the main lobby you can find the concierge and the Redwood bar with a real log fire. We don't have to carry our luggage. They are going to carry the luggage for us.
Nice.
6. I'm so happy with the extra fast passes. You get additional fast passes with this room. Wow. That's nice. Okay, so let's get this card. This feels very weird to stand in this
small
hallway.
room.
This is really wonderful.
Wow. Oh, this is nice.
This asks for a certain moment. We are in the Sequoia Lodge theme. They've got Bambi, Thumper, and there are more deer. You see? Mother deer.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Well, with this room, you also get the opportunity to go to the lounge, and you can take something to drink and something to eat. But what if you don't want to go to the lounge? What if you just want to stay in the comfort of your own hotel room? I mean, it's so beautiful. Why go away? They've got something special for that. They have an Nespresso machine. And you can take your Nespresso and some delicious coffee. And there's also tea and of course a kettle. I like coffee, but after a long drive, I want water. There's plenty of water. There's a whole bottle of water. Oh, look! It's the backside of water. Okay, give them a tour, Sven.
Wow. Clean towels. Bath. This is spacious. This is very nice.
But there's something really special about this room.
What is?
They've put a paper here, and it is in Dutch. And I think that's a very nice touch. They print this for every family to say, hey, welcome family Smith. And I'm a big fan of these things. A little bit too much, I think. Coins everywhere. Every day your bed is made up and decorated with 25th anniversary chocolate coins. And let us not forget the most important thing, a card with a beautiful Disney quote. Take them home for an exclusive souvenir. We are sitting in the Golden Forest Lounge, and we came in and there was this lovely lady. She asked, what would you like to drink? So we asked for coffee and here we are. And we got this very cute Mickey sugar cube with it, and so a Disneyland Paris chocolate bar. That's the Golden Forest Lounge, guys. This is so nice. And it's all inclusive.
Yeah, and it's not just coffee, eh?
Maybe that's a good idea to show everybody at home what else you can get.
On your Easy Pass are the times when you can get access to the Golden Forest Lounge. It starts in the morning with the breakfast between 7 and 10:30, and then between 12 and 10:30 you can get drinks and coffee, and between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock you can get the same drinks and tea time snacks, which we'll show you later. This also gives access to the swimming pool between 7 o'clock in the morning and 10 o'clock in the evening. That's in a separate building from the main building, but we'll show you that as well.
Somewhere between all those trees is the swimming pool. So the swimming pool is outside of the main building. You need to walk towards it. But here it is. This is the swimming pool.
Yes, and as you can see, it's a little bit on the refurbishment. It looks like the inside pool is open. And yeah, the outside pool is under refurbishment. So let's have a look.
Foggy.
A bit foggy, but it's a beautiful pool.
Is it large?
Quite large, and there's a hot tub and a small slide, and yeah, okay, I'm back. And yeah, we wouldn't try to invade people's privacy, so we didn't film inside, but trust me, big thumbs up.
You've probably become curious about the breakfast by now.
Bonjour, good morning.
Special about the Golden Forest room is that breakfast is served separately from the people who are staying at the normal rooms. For breakfast, you need to go to the Golden Forest Lounge. There's more choice than at the normal breakfast, and the atmosphere is really calm and quiet. Wonderful to start your day like this.
Some potatoes in the morning. Who doesn't love some potatoes in the morning?
Bacon.
So I'm starting somewhere in the middle, as you can see, because it's a quite large breakfast. And yeah, what to do? There's so much. We've got also some sausages. Well, there's a lot of meat, as you can see. Scrambled egg. We love egg. I love egg. I love egg. Sven is a big pancake fan. Also in America, he used to eat those pancakes. Oh, this is our baked beans. Oh, here he goes. Wow. You're doing it like a professional, Sven.
Lovely.
These lights, they remind me of the Rapunzel movie, where all the lights are going into the air. Really nice, really pretty. With the tree and everything. It's like you are in a giant forest. We have got all kinds of jams, lots of jellies and preserves, brioche. And here we've got water, and I love water. Here is some grapefruit juice, fresh. And here we've got coffee, all kinds of coffee. Hot chocolate. Oh, Sven's taking it. Hot chocolate. Sven, that's a sweet breakfast you've got here.
I got a sweet tooth.
And here we've got the machine with the plum juice, apple juice. And over here, there's more, because we've got also cereals and milk and more cereals and more milk. Oh no, some nuts, raisins, more nuts, and fruit. You can toast your own bread. These are different varieties of bread. Here we've got all the yogurt things. Yogurt, and you can put some topping in it. There's also soya milk for people with allergies or just if you like it. I like the way they put these on the side, because if you are smaller, you can still read it. And here are the meats. Whoa. And cheese. Emmental, Tom cheese, Gouda cheese. And if you don't want to have the huge breakfast you can get here in the hotel, here behind me you can get a small breakfast, croissant, a little bit of orange juice. It's a lot cheaper and you can eat it here in the lounge. A bit strange about Sequoia Lodge is the way you have to walk to the Disneyland park. We often see that guests have lost their way because it's not very logical. To get to the Disneyland park, you have to go down the stairs and walk towards the restaurants. Via the swing doors, you can walk through Disney Village to the park. So before the exit to the park, there are two restaurants, Hunter's Grill and Beaver Creek. Here in the morning, for regular guests, there's the breakfast. and in the evening you can have your dinner here. It's always an all-you-can-eat international buffet. Here behind me is the Golden Forest Lounge, and you can also have a snack there between 4 and 6 in the evening. They serve all kinds of sodas, coffee and tea, and some snacks. And there are those little petit snacks like a little bit of toast with some cream on it, things like that. They are very tiny, so it's not a meal, it's a snack. And they also got sweet things like cake and pastries. It's a nice place to stay, especially when it's cold in wintertime and you want to relax and get warm after a morning in the park. It's a really big advantage for a Golden Forest room. You think you've seen it all, right? Well, not quite, because we haven't done one very important thing. Shopping! The Sequoia Lodge gift shop is beautifully decorated and it's got some lovely window displays. And they sell some beautiful items. Oh, look at this special bag for the 25th anniversary.
Oh, that's nice. 16 euros.
It's a big shopper, it is.
A big shopper with a zipper.
Yeah. Oh, but this is cool. This is a bag with logos of all the Disney hotels on it. Hotel New York.
Newport.
Santa Fe.
Santa Fe. Above that, Newport.
Newport Bay Club.
Sequoia. Cheyenne.
Cheyenne. Here it is.
But where's the Disneyland
Hotel. Where's the Disneyland Hotel? Stay at the Disneyland Hotel and feel like a king. And how much is it, Sven?
Oh yeah, very important. $6.99.
There are birds living here as well. In the sequoia tree.
It's a zoo.
Oh, there are a lot of birds in it actually. These are snow globes that I haven't seen before in the park. Maybe I'm not looking well enough, but it's new to me. And these from the Aristocats is also very, very cute.
40 euros.
Well guys, this was an overview of the Sequoia Lodge Golden Forest room.
Well, we hope you liked the video. If you have also experiences with the Golden Forest room or another hotel here on Disneyland Paris property, please let us know. Well, next time we see you in Main Street. Bye.
Do you think you can stay here for, let's say, 3 or maybe 4 nights?
Nah.
It's going to be difficult, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be at least 30 nights.